Hey everyone, check out the SHINEWOO 100-watt LED high bay light that delivers an impressive 14,000 lumens. This light uses high-quality SMD 3030 LED chips and offers brightness equivalent to a 400W HID or HPS lamp, saving you up to 80% on energy costs. It features a wide 120-degree beam angle with a natural 5000K daylight color temperature, providing bright and eye-friendly illumination. Built with a hollow design and die-cast aluminum housing, it ensures excellent heat dissipation and a long lifespan of over 50,000 hours. Installation is simple with a North American plug and a 5-foot power cord, plus a safety rope for secure mounting. Perfect for warehouses, workshops, garages, gyms, and more, this durable UFO-style fixture handles various commercial and industrial lighting needs. With its combination of brightness, efficiency, and durability, this LED high bay light is an excellent upgrade for any large space. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.